Want to report player in Free Fire but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to report player in Free Fire. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the friends icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on the player that you want to report. Now click on the profile button. At the bottom of your screen, you can see report button. Tap on it. Now choose the reason why you want to report this player. Then tap on the confirm button. And that's how you can report player in Free Fire. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.